show quick release tie that I was taught by my former riding instructor way back when, that we figured out probably was in the Calvary. So this is a real coarse tie, that's why I'm using it. Starts out with making a 4. Bring the extra underneath, flip it into an 8 by bringing it over, flip it 8, and bring the loose loop through, and the horse is tied. Quick, easy, fast, and quick release. Even a horse that pulls on it will be able to be released. The main thing to remember when using a rough lead is that you bring them over together, don't twist them. Now, you're saying, well, what about a horse that sits here and plays and unties himself? There's a very easy cure for that. You take the end and stick it through the loop. Now the horse can play with this all he wants. He might tighten that loop, but you still have a quick release. And once you're used to doing it, it can be done in seconds. Faster and faster and faster. But that's the main thing. Bring the extra underneath. Make your 4, make an 8, bring the loop through, and you're tied. Quick, easy, fast, quick release. That's all there is to it, folks.